Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is December the 12th on a Thursday. A little nippy out here, but it is going to warm up a little. So we're on our first of two projects. We have had two yesterday. We got two today, and I booked another one this morning that called me, emergency screen or recoat, and we're going to do that tomorrow. So we have two for the last 3 days. So this is one of my repeat clients. This is Miss Dolores. We're out here in Loganville, Georgia. We've been cleaning her carpets for years. And just to let you guys know, not unfortunately, but I have disconnected the carpet, upholstery, tile, and grout cleaning services from my business and only focusing on wood floors. So we no longer clean carpets. My van that I have is actually sold already. One of my students in Ohio, he purchased the van last week. He's going to have it shipped up to him in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So show you on what we're doing on our first job. This is a little bit over 600 square feet, engineered floor screen and recoat. And let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. All right, so again, we're in Loganville, Georgia. Beautiful day today. All right, so this is again my client, Miss Dolores. And guys, if you look at her floors, you can start to see we're going to do some color correction. Got some of the veneer has started to chip off. Tavares is taping off the carpet. And as you go through here, I'm getting some better light. You can really see, let me zoom in. The original factory finish is just starting to wear off. Starting to wear off really, really bad. You can see some scuff marks. So this floor is really lacking protection. A lot of times people see this and they don't know what's going on. And that's now she had a rug here. Now if you look here close, see how good those boards still look? Cause she had a rug right here. But then when we come over here, see right here, guys, that is the finish. That is the factory finish. It's really starting to wear off this floor. And we need to get this floor screened really good. And we're gonna put down a nice coating on this floor and give some life back to this floor. As you guys see, this is one of the most popular floors that we do. This is that hand scrape engineered floor. Also got some missing color there. Gonna do some color correction there. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, get this floor screened out really well, and then get it clean, and then light color correction, recoat it. Stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, these floors look better already with just the screening cleaning process. Now we're going to go ahead and get the coating down. Woo, yes sir. All right, also I got my client that we did yesterday, or one of the clients, the first client that we did yesterday. He was a new client, Mr. Hiron. He called me this morning, said, Courtney, the floors look great. He was actually says he's going to leave me a review on Google, and he just greatly appreciate that we was able to save this floor. So that's really good when we get good feedback from our clients. So all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start getting the coating down, and I'll come back and show you some results. Stay tuned. I ain't hit the record button. All right, guys, we're about to go in here and look at these floors, taking my shoes off. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Hey, Dolores. All right, guys, look at these floors now. This is beautiful. That's what the floors needed. Look at that, guys. All the floors needed was a good screen and recoat. Wow. Dolores, have you seen it?
No, I haven't stepped. I haven't peeked.
You can see it from there.
Oh, yes, I did take a picture. Yeah, I didn't see what else possible yet.
Oh, that looks so good, guys. So good. Yes. All right, guys. Well, our job done is here, or our job is done here. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna wrap up with Miss Dolores and thank her again. She's one of my good repeat clients. And we're gonna go ahead to Cobb County. Got to go do a job up in what was that job we're going to do? I think it's in Kennesaw. And then the one we might hopefully we're going to be doing it tomorrow. Just going to finalize the numbers with him. Do that one tomorrow. So we'll have also 2 tomorrow as well. All right, guys. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Yeah.
I can come sit and see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need to put on some socks to my baby.
Oh, you good, that feet.